Package system also offers us the ability to remove a package from the system, an application for the system. So, for example, remember that the package system has a database, and there we have all the information gathered to install the file and whatever. So, for example, if we get information about TeamViewer, we can use this option, these files, and we will be working with the package name from now on. We don't, once the package is installed, we don't have a dev file anymore. We don't need it. And when we refer to the package, we will be using the package name here. This is the name that we must use for working with the package using the package system. So using these files, we can see we have here all the files, the package installed when we install this on the system. As you can see, there are a lot of files, and we can remove the package using another option. We can just remove, and it will remove the package from the system. We will need super user privileges, okay? And as the package system knows all the things that it did during the installation, it can undo them, and we will have the system will be in the more or less in the same state as before we install the package. Taking account something, that it only removes the package, not the dependencies. So if we query the leadmin zip here, this leadmin zip, I don't remember the name. I think it was minzip or something. Well, I sleep minizip. Okay. Okay. The application, this one is still installed on the system, so we don't need anymore. But the package manager can't know if it is being used by another application, so it can't remove it. We must do it by hand. This is another tedious process because a package can have hundreds of dependencies, and we need to track that and whatever. But we will see how to solve that in a later video. And another command for removing a package is this one. The difference is that the first order will keep all the configurations files of the application. So, for example, if we start working with TeamViewer, we add configure the application. I don't know, add some users or configure some default directories, whatever. With remove, that information will be kept. So if we reinstall TeamViewer, we will be able to start working with the configuration we had. But with this one, we'll remove all the configuration files for the system, and we will start from scratch as if we had never installed TeamViewer on the system. So with all commands, the command we have seen, we can install, query, and remove package for the system. But as you can see, it has the problem that we must manage the dependencies by hand. And this is a very tedious, slow, and prone to errors way of doing things.